AI is changing the way we work, faster than most of us can keep up. But if you think being able to prompt ChatGPT or use Copilot is enough to future-proof your career, think again. There's one skill product managers can't afford to ignore right now: system thinking. Hi there, I'm Joni, and I work with product teams navigating complexity and change. In today's video, I'm looking at why system thinking is becoming the make-or-break skill for product managers, especially as AI continues to handle more of the technical execution. If you want to stay relevant in this new landscape, this is where to focus. AI is getting better fast. It's writing code, summarizing feedback, even generating designs. But here's the thing. While AI is taking on more of the doing, it's not replacing the need for structured, strategic thinking. That part still falls on us. In product, your job isn't to just ship features. It's to build systems that work for users, for the business, and for the teams delivering them. And that's where system thinking really comes in. System thinking isn't some abstract academic concept. It's the ability to see how everything fits together. If your product is broken, it's probably not because someone forgot to code a button. It's probably because the upstream assumptions or downstream impacts weren't thought through. When you're leading product, your job is to see the full picture. What problem are we solving? Where does this feature sit in the larger ecosystem? How will it change the behavior of our users, our systems, and our teams? AI can build fast, but if you don't know what you're building toward, you're just speeding up the wrong work. System thinking is what keeps your product from turning into a collection of disconnected features. It's the difference between a house that is structurally sound and one that just looks good on Zillow. So how do you actually get better at system thinking? Start with the product itself. Understand how the parts connect. What are the inputs, the edge cases, the trade-offs? And don't keep that thinking to yourself. Make it a team ritual. In your next roadmap review or sprint planning, ask, how does this piece affect the rest of the system? There are frameworks that can help. Stuff like causal loop diagrams, stakeholder mapping, or even service blueprints. But the mindset matters more than the tool. The goal is to slow down just enough to think about structure before you speed up execution. Here's the takeaway. AI is a powerful tool, but it doesn't replace product thinking, and system thinking is product thinking. If you want to build better products, lead stronger teams, and stay relevant in a market that's only getting faster, this is the skill to develop, so make it a priority. If you found this helpful, subscribe to my channel. I share practical strategies for product teams navigating real-world complexity without hype, without fluff. See you next time.